You will love sanpeji, the delicious three-cut chicken. It is a dish that uses equal amounts of soy sauce, sesame oil, and cooking wine. I'm going to show you two versions, simmered and sautéed. We will test both. We use the same ingredients for both versions. Only the cutting and cooking are different. Start by marinating the chicken. For the simmered version, remove the skin from the thighs. Put them in the mixing bowl without cutting them. Roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. Put them with the chicken. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Add it too. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Add it, then put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well and keep aside. For the sautéed version, remove the bone from the thighs. Cut them into large pieces. Marinate them with the same ingredients: 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of crushed black peppercorn, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix and keep aside. Slice 1 spring onion. For the simmered version, in a pan heated over high heat, add the 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Spread them well and let them sear for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then flip them over. This short cooking phase over high heat keeps the meat juicy and tender, adding the green meat flavor, and leave them for another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then put 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine around the edge of the pan. Stir for 30 seconds. On contact with heat, it evaporates, leaving a good scent and creating a slight caramelization. Add the 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the spring onion and briefly stir. Add the half cup of water. Turn to low heat and let simmer for 15 minutes while stirring from time to time. Then turn off the heat. The 3-cup chicken simmered version is ready. For the sautéed version, in a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. When the oil is hot, put the chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let them sear for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then flip them over and leave them for another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Add the 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the spring onion, briefly stir, and turn off the heat. The 3-cup chicken sautéed version is ready. We are going to test the 2 versions with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The taste is more intense in the sautéed version. In the simmered version, we have the pleasure to eating pieces of chicken that are still white at the core. Their texture is different. We like to cut them and dip them in the sauce. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.